Welcome back to the channel. So, a little while back I did a video on this 629 Deluxe Smith & Wesson that I picked up, and several of my friends actually have this revolver and told me the one thing and the only thing that they had as a complaint about it were these grips. And I did point this out in my video. You can see how they don't quite line up with the frame, and they have a spot right here that sticks up beyond the frame. And I was told, you know, just what I experienced, that they look awesome, but they're not exactly a load of fun, no pun intended, out at the range. So I contacted a company called Altamont and told them I was interested in a set of their grips, and they said that sure, we'll get a set of grips out to you for your gun. And so yesterday a package showed up, and it was quite a bit bigger and heavier than what it should have been for a set of grips. So in said package was a gun mat, a tool, which will be coming in handy in a moment here. I was just seeing if there was a product number on there. It's got the scan code. They sent me a pen, made in America. That's nice. 3 different length screws, a sticker, which I'll be putting on the safe. Safety warning. One of their brochures. Oh, and trust me, I will have a little slideshow at the end of this video on some of the products from Altamont. Just beautiful looking grips. I hope they're everything that I really want them to be. I ended up getting the Smith & Wesson N, and these are the Super Rosewood laser engraved. I have to tell you, oh man, they look beautiful. So it has the Smith & Wesson logo on it in about the same spot. It's a little bit smaller logo, but I would say definitely a little bit more texture than the stock grips. Made in the USA. Oops. I'm already losing my pins. Okay. Let me swap these out, and you can take a look and judge for yourself. The stock grips. Now, before someone makes a comment, I do have a habit of removing the stock grips for several reasons. One, aesthetics. In this case, it's not really too much about aesthetics, because I think the stock grips look damn good. I think these ones look much better, but having said that, I still think the stock grips look very good. Now, having heard several complaints and that I'm probably going to want to put something else on there, that was another reason. That, and a lot of times I just like to preserve the stock ones. I have a box full of, like for instance, the original grips that came with my Kimber Raptor. So, okay, let's do this, and I'll be right back. Ooh. That fit to the frame is a lot better, and instead of swooping up and out, they kind of swoop in a little. Oh yeah, this one has just a little bit smaller of a grip, and when I was first noticing that, I thought it would be more of a problem, but I actually feel that I'm getting a better grip on it, and with this added, not only is that adding a beauty to it, but it's also giving you grip. Here, hang on a second. Let me hang on. Have to make this right. So that is the Super Rosewood grip for the round butt end frame for the 629 Deluxe. Oh yeah, these are awesome. Boy, I wish you guys did a grip for this. Altamont, the Raging Bull 454 Casual from Taurus. I see you've got quite a few things on your lineup from Taurus, but you don't have this. This is where I put in a request. Because with the quality of these, oh, that is, I don't know, what do you guys think? I mean, before I could feel right here and right here when I gripped the gun, and like I said, a couple of you guys told me, yeah, those grips absolutely look awesome, but you're not gonna want them on there if you really get out and enjoy using that revolver, which I plan on. So that's the Altamont Super Rosewood grips for the 629 Deluxe. Okay. They have personally they have engraved guns. They offer stocks. Oh God, man, look at that. 620, an engraved 629. Alright, I'll put some pictures at the end. I really like those. I like that they that's just, honestly, that feels completely different. And when I say completely different, I mean that in a good way, in my hand, which is obviously what matters. Those look great. Thank you, Altamont. You'll definitely be seeing more of this guy. And thanks for the tool and the pen and the mat. That is awesome. So take a look at other things that Altamont can do for you. All of their information is down below in the description box. And cheers, guys. Put these in a safe place.